because Reece James is a complete player. He can attack, he can defend, he can score, he can do that excellent defending inside the box, outside, everything. The guy is so good. So guys, in the midfield, Reece James will not have the legs. Reece James will not have the fitness to run around, do the tacklings, do the markings, do the ball recoveries. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about these few things from Chelsea camp. And the first one, Enzo Maresca now seeing Reece James as a midfielder. Enzo Maresca said, since he was joining Chelsea, he sent a video clip to Reece James, yes, telling him about his capabilities, his abilities to play as a midfielder. So we'll come and talk about it, yes. Should Enzo Maresca start using Reece James as a midfielder? We'll come and look at it, yes. And the second thing, Caicedo is one yellow card away from suspension on Sunday. If Caicedo gets a yellow card, he's going to miss the next 2 Premier League games to come. Arsenal and Spurs, yes. So they asked Enzo Maresca about it, and he said something. We'll come and discuss about it also. And Estavo Williams, the young talented player Chelsea signed from Palmeiras, had the call-up or getting a call-up from Brazil national team, yes. And he was happy. We'll talk about it also. And Gusto injury, can he play the next game? We'll talk about it also, yes. So please, before we move on, please hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation, the hope to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button. And yesterday, I came live. Yes, I came live. I was trying to test, yes, my audio, my visuals. I have a lot to give you on this channel, guys. So I have to try out so that the day I will do the professional work for you guys, I can do it well. So yesterday I was live. I talked about the top 4 hope and certain teams we can play. So please, you can go and watch that video, or that video is here. Yes, the live videos. And Sunday, our game against Leicester. After that game, I will come back so that it will be another call-in show. So please turn on the notification bell. If any video drop here or any live video, you will be the first person to see. Yes. So let's start with the first one, guys. Finally, guys, Enzo Maresca now see Reece James as a midfielder. Enzo Maresca said that since he was joining Chelsea, as I said, he sent videos to James. He watched James play. Even since he was loaned at Wigan Atlantic, James was playing as a midfielder. James can be a good midfielder. James can be what and what. In fact, guys, first of all, let's clap hands for Enzo Maresca. Myself. In fact, less than 15 games to go. Enzo Maresca is now seeing what a player can do for him and what a player is capable of doing. From the starting of the season up to now, today that Enzo Maresca can see what Reece James can do. In fact, Enzo Maresca is a joker. Enzo Maresca is not serious. I'm telling you, this guy is using our team for gambling. How on earth? 27 to 28 games in the Premier League. You are now seeing what a player can do for you. You started with this player in the Premier League. Now you are seeing who is Reece James. Now you are seeing as a manager, Chelsea manager, you are seeing who is Reece James. So guys, let's come and do the analysis. Should Enzo Maresca now deploy Reece James into the midfield as he said? Guys, for me, I think Enzo Maresca should not play Reece James as a midfielder. And I think based on these 3 reasons, let's look at them one after the other. By the way, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought on this. Should Enzo Maresca start using James as a midfielder or not? Let me hear from you. And let's start with the first reason. In fact, guys, we already have our midfielders. Our current midfielders are Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. And those injured, as we are speaking now, Lavia. Maresca even said Lavia is back training. Yes. And next season, Santos will be joining. Information said that next season, he will join Chelsea squad. So it means that if James will now be playing as a midfielder, These our midfielders or our current midfielders we have now. One of them have to go to the bench. Maresca have to bench one of them. And Reece James, in fact, he is a good player. Reece James, he can play in the central midfield very, very well. In fact, excellent. We saw the last game. He scored playing as inverted midfielder or as a midfielder. He scored. He even won man of the match. So, Reece James' potentials, his technique, nobody dropped it. He can play as a midfielder and do it very, very, very well. But as I said, we already have midfielders. We have Lavia. We have Caicedo. We have Enzo Fernandez. Santos will be joining. The almighty Keenan is there. Yes. So it means that if James is coming into the midfield position, as I said, one of these midfielders must go. They must go to the bench. And for me, I don't think it is fair. No, I don't think it is fair. Particularly or especially Lavia. Chelsea fans, we are waiting to see Lavia. More playing time from Lavia. So imagine James come into the midfield again. That means Lavia or one of these our midfielders must go. They must go to the bench. And I don't see just benching Caicedo. It can't happen unless Caicedo is on suspension or injured. And I don't see Chelsea benching Enzo Fernandez unless the same thing happen, injury or suspension. Yes, so Reece James coming into the midfield, I don't think it will be fair. That is the first point, guys. And my second point, guys, as we all knew that we only have two right back in current Chelsea, Reece James and Manuel Gusto. We only have James and Gusto as our current right back as we are speaking now. In any day James is not there, Gusto can fit into that position. Gusto can replace him. Any day Gusto is not there, James can replace him. So only two right back we have in that position. So imagine Maresca now changing James into different position or into the midfield. It means that we now have Gusto as the only right back in Chelsea team, which will not be good. It will not be good because imagine James as a midfielder turned to a midfielder. A day Gusto is not there. Who is going to replace him? Who is going to replace Gusto? That is the question here. So for me, I think because of the insufficient of right back we have in our team, we have to maintain James there. Yes, we have to maintain Reece James there. His primary position, his normal position. In case, as I said, James is not there, we have Gusto. In case Gusto is not there, we have James. So that position will be taken care of. Yes. But James going into the midfield, leaving the position for Gusto. This season we saw it. Gusto is not playing well. Gusto is not on form this season. So for me, guys, this is another reason why I think Maresca should not play Reece James as a midfielder and let him be playing as his normal position, primary position, as we are speaking now. And the third point, guys, when you look at football, the midfield is the engine of everything. Midfield is the engine. In fact, it's the backbone of everything. And as a midfielder, you need to have the legs in order to run, do recoveries, do tackles, do cut passing lanes, do a lot of things, win 50-50 battles. And all this need a lot of energy. And we all knew our Reece James. Our Reece James is injury-prone player. Yes, if not because of Reece James going off and on, like in world football, like when we come to the right back position, like nobody will be talking about Arnold. I'm telling you. If not because Reece James is going, sometimes he come on, sometimes he go off injured, nobody will remember or talk about Arnold because Reece James is a complete player. He can attack, he can defend, he can score, he can do that excellent defending inside the box, outside, everything. The guy is so good. So guys, in the midfield, Reece James will not have the legs. Reece James will not have the fitness to run around, do the tacklings, do the markings, do the ball recoveries. It will be hard. Even if James can do it, I'm telling you, 3 to 4 or 5 games, we'll see Reece James going back to our hospital, to Chelsea hospital, to Chelsea sick bed. So for me, this is another reason why I think Enzo Maresca should not use Reece James as a midfielder because of his fitness issue, because of James' fitness issue. Yes. So guys, These are my 3 reasons. I think Enzo Maresca should not play Reece James as a midfielder. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought, your reason. Should Enzo Maresca use Reece James as a midfielder or not? Let me hear from you. And let's come to Moses Caicedo suspension, or Moses Caicedo one way suspension. In fact, guys, as we are speaking now, Moses Caicedo left with 1 yellow card. Yes, to be suspended. If our game against Leicester and Caicedo get booked, he will not play against Arsenal. He will not play against Spurs. For that matter, they asked Enzo Maresca about it, that will he take that risk and still play Caicedo in the game against Leicester? And Enzo Maresca said, yes, I have to play him because we need to win. So guys, let's talk about it also. Should Enzo Maresca bench Caicedo to avoid that suspension, incoming suspension, if he get booked against these big games to come, Arsenal and Spurs? Or should Enzo Maresca play him? Well, for me, the way Enzo Maresca answered the question, I like it and I don't like it. I like it and I don't like it. Because imagine he get booked in that game. Against Arsenal, we need him most. Against Spurs, we need him most. And this Leicester City game, I will bench Caicedo. But the issue is that when we bench Caicedo, who is coming to replace him? Or who is going to replace Caicedo and still do the job? Look at the run he's doing for us. Because we are not winning consistently. That is why we are not seeing the good part of Caicedo. Because Chelsea, we are lagging this season. Caicedo is doing a lot of things in the midfield. It is not a small football Caicedo is playing this season. That run and doing those tacklings, N'Golo Kante leg tackle, it's not easy. He's doing a lot of dirty jobs, recovering, winning tackles. So it's not easy. So for me, I think maybe Maresca should play him, but talk to him a lot. Caution him. Let him be playing with that awareness. He should minimize his tacklings in that game. The way he always put in those tacklings, he should reduce some. Yes. But the way we can bench him. Because if we bench him, who is going to replace him? Who can we play? That is the issue. So, Chelsea, this is why some of us, we are complaining every day about this, our owners. How? 1.5 billion spent. 1.5 billion. Chelsea, we haven't solved any of our problems. When you look at this, our team, what constitutes football? Position that we call football. Striker, midfielder, goalkeeper, defenders. We still have those kind of problems. I don't understand. How we spend that money, 1.5 billion, and still Chelsea don't have a complete team. And for me, I keep on saying it in my videos. The day that we will miss Caicedo, the day that we will miss Cucurella, in fact, we are going to feel it. I'm telling you. Because Caicedo, who is there to replace him? Cucurella, who is there to replace him in case any of these two players are not there? So let's hope 10 games, 13 games to go. Let's hope they can stay injury-free till the season. And if not that, Chale will be in a big problem, in a big danger. I'm telling you. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Caicedo, 1 yellow card away from 2 suspension. In fact, crucial games to come. Arsenal and Spurs must win because we want to get top 4. And if we want to get top 4, this kind of games must win. Even if we are not going to win it, at least for Arsenal and Liverpool, yes, we are still to play them. At least for them, draw. For Spurs, we have to beat them home and away this season. For Spurs, there is normal. I respect to them, but Charlie, no matter how bad Chelsea is, beating Spurs is never our problem. Or if Chelsea can have 1,000 problems in this world, Spurs is not one of them. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what we discussed in this video. And I still will get called up for the national team, Brazil national team. Yes, the upcoming friendly games, or they are going to play qualifiers, World Cup qualifiers. They call him, Estavo Williams. We are wishing him all the best. He go there and play, come or return with injury free, because next season we need him. I even heard that Chelsea will let him come before the FIFA club tournament start. So guys, that is the information from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, and please hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care, peace.